An FBI counterintelligence agent accused of stealing nearly $1 million in cryptocurrency made his second appearance in federal court today. According to a federal complaint, Patrick Yarrow told investigators he became frustrated with the FBI and had been in possession of the cryptocurrency since last year. Today, a magistrate judge found probable cause to move the case forward. News 4's Paul Wagner was in the courtroom and joins us live with the latest. Paul?
Hi there, Ron. So quite a bit happened today in court, in a hearing that lasted just about an hour or so. Patrick Yarrow appeared in an Alexandria jail jumpsuit and sat at the defense table as an FBI agent testified about the details in this case. And that was the part of the probable cause hearing. The judge, after hearing all of that testimony, did find probable cause. The question now is detention. We've learned that Patrick Yarrow will be held again overnight, but the judge has indicated that she's willing to release him, but does not want to release him to his wife, and so she's looking for a third party. So at this point, he's going to be held one more night, but here's some of the details that we've learned about this case. Last Tuesday afternoon, FBI counterintelligence agent Patrick Yarrow contacted an employee with the Department of Justice via the Signal app and asked to meet to discuss a personal matter. According to a complaint filed in federal court, the two met at FBI headquarters before moving the meeting across the street to the Department of Justice. According to the complaint, Yarrow decided to tell DOJ employee 1 about his actions because of the shame, and he knew what he did was wrong. Yarrow said it was eating him up inside, and he wanted to get it off his chest. Yarrow inquired about criminal exposure. DOJ employee 1 instructed Yarrow that it was very serious. He should get a lawyer. The complaint goes on to say, in approximately November 2024, during his investigative work, Yarrow was exposed to adversarial cryptocurrency accounts. At this point, Yarrow described himself as spinning out of control. Yarrow claimed he was frustrated that the FBI could not or would not act against adversarial cryptocurrency accounts. The complaint does not specify which adversary the accounts belong to. However, according to two sources familiar with the matter, tell NBC News it's Russia. The 37-year-old, who is married with one child, according to the complaint, told FBI agents he memorized the passphrases from adversarial accounts. Yarrow decided to take matters into his own hands and transfer funds from the adversarial cryptocurrency accounts to his personal wallet. The complaint says in late 2024 or early 2025, Yarrow began transferring the cryptocurrency 10 to 12 times. As the FBI began investigating Yarrow's story, they filed search warrants for his home, computers, phones, and a car, and found a question Yarrow allegedly made to ChatGPT. The complaint says on June 4, 2026, Yarrow asked ChatGPT, if you had a bucket of money, around $1 million, and you wanted to leave the USA and become a resident or citizen of an EU country, what would you do? ChatGPT responded, given everything you've told me, option 1, Portugal, my top choice for your specific situation. Now, there was testimony from an FBI agent today that $160,000 in cryptocurrency is missing and cannot be accessed by the government. And there was quite a bit of discussion about that today on both sides. It's unclear exactly where that cryptocurrency may be at this point. One other point, at one point during the hearing, Patrick Yarrow turned around and looked directly at his wife and his parents. And as he did that, he then turned back around, buried his head in his hands, and began to weep. That's the latest here from federal court in Alexandria. Now back to you.
And Paul, what is next for him? This was his second court appearance.
Sure. So he's being held again overnight, tonight, in the Alexandria jail. And the reason is the judge wants to, she's indicated that she's going to release him, but she needs to find what she called his third-party custody. She said she doesn't want to release him to his wife. They live in Ashburn. She didn't exactly say why she didn't want to release him to the wife, but she wants to find a third party. So they're going to be back in court tomorrow at 2 o'clock and go over all of that again.
All right, our Paul Wagner live for us on this story. Paul, thank you.